Oh, hey guys, we're gonna be playing Scary Monkey Horror. I'm gonna go gather some people, okay? Then we're gonna go to mountains. Okay, hold on. Let me just... was good enough. Anyways, let's get back to what we're doing.
LBD.
Does anybody want to play mountains?
LB what? LB what?
Yo, it's the Daisy music.
LB3. Huh? LB3, okay. LB.
Wait, what's the code? What's the code?
Yo, it's a dog.
LB3.
Yo.
LBD. Black.
LBD?
No, LB3.
Black. Oh.
LB3. Black.
Who's playing
Yo,
Daisy
boys.
Bell on their phone, bro? That's Lucy. I hate Lucy. I hate Lucy.
So,
I hate her in the
we're just
original
gonna
game.
go
I hate her in this one. Who's Lucy chasing?
Yeah.
So black.
Guys, run.
My power's low.
Lucy,
Alright guys, anyways. We're looking for that three-headed monster.
Where is Lucy's spawn?
Right here.
Do this, guys. Yeah, that's nice. I'm probably gonna go down the slide a little bit. No, try not to get jumped. Damn it. Nah, okay. Yeah, okay. Dang it. No. Okay, that was a close one. Okay, where are they at? Okay, that one's right there. Oh god, I'm genuinely scared right now, bro. Hold up. Let's try this again. Guys, this might be a 2-minute long video because I'm scared. Too bad. Oh, we got it. Chat, we got it, chat. Hope the slide isn't blocked off. Is this a bad idea? No. Oh god, I'm so scared. Yo, chat. This slide looking a little bit juicy. Okay, I'm just gonna ignore that. Well, peace. Oh god, I'm going to the skeleton. What's in here? Oh god, that scared the shit out of me. I'm about to... Daisy. Hell no. Hell no. Why'd the lights just go out? End of stream. End. Get over.